My wife and I actually we were dating since we were 16 years old, and almost every year I'd write her a song, but this past year I forgot. So she kind of reminded me, so I said, okay. So that was a song called Ho'olana. This next piece is about the story goes a few years ago when I was writing for my previous CD, Kane'ohe. I was coming back home from a long tour on the mainland, and interesting enough, normally the plane would kind of come in on the southwest side, kind of make a U-turn and land, I guess because of the trade winds. But on this particular day, we came in on the northeast side, and that was like the first time I saw my home from a different perspective. I was raised in Kane'ohe. So I looked out my window and, oh my God, it's so beautiful. You see Hanau, you see Kailua, you see Kane'ohe, and I saw the Ko'olau Range. And it wasn't a big deal when I was growing up. I remember my father used to always go, we used to go out the backyard and the Ko'olaus was right there, and he used to just say, wow, look how beautiful. And I was like, whatever. Now I think because I'm like 40, it kind of hit me, so it's very interesting that I'm aware of these things now, go out my backyard and I see the Ko'olaus, look out in the front and I see the Kane'ohe Bay, and it's just so beautiful. But on this particular time, looking out my window of the airplane, this melody and lyrics just came to me, and wow, I quickly grabbed my barf bag and I started writing, Oh, it's so beautiful. I was doing that. The guy sitting next to me, poor thing, he was giving me security. But what came out was this song called Me Ku'one Hanau, which means the place of my birth.
Makapô